Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. So just now I'm back with another creation of mine. Since the winter season is arrived, you can take full advantage of nice vegetable and nice citrus fruit. So let's begin with, first I am baking here the carrot cake. The recipe card is here, and the specialty of my carrot cake is I add clove powder as well. So now I'm just going to add all the dry ingredients together, and then I am going to mix the liquids with the brown sugar. I'm going to give a good mix with the hand blender, and you can do this job with your normal whisk as well. It doesn't matter. So just now I am going to add my carrots, and after adding carrots I have just added the dry ingredients. Please make sure remove all the excess water from the carrots. Okay, so just now I'm putting it in 16 centimeter ring. I will top it with pecan. I don't like walnut, I'm a pecan fan, so I have added that, and I just baked it. Keep it aside. Now the next part is cinnamon mousse. So for the mousse there are two cream parts. I have infused the first cream part with cinnamon overnight. Then I'm just going to cook it, and then I have added yolk with sugar, and as long as my cream is about to boil I will add a small part on the yolk. It's just like a cream patissier, the method. So now you can just see I will take a whisk. So just I want to avoid any lump of cinnamon. I want to mix it nicely. Now it's about to boil. I have added a small part on the yolks. Then I mix everything, and now I will add this slowly on the cream mixture. Okay, and I will cook it on very low heat until it reaches to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you have to be patient here. You don't want to cook your eggs actually. So I'm just about to done here. Okay, and it reaches to 80 degrees Celsius. I have added my cheese here, the cream cheese mix, and then the gelatin. After it will dissolve everything, I will leave it aside until 40 degree, and then I will use the semi whipped cream, and I will add the part 2 in the mousse mix. Okay, make sure you are following the temperature. Then I will add a small layer of the mousse on the cake mix. It's just 1/4 you can say. Now we are making confiture, and I am using orange rind here and saffron. First we will activate the saffron with the hot water. Okay, and I have added that saffron in the orange puree. After that I have added rind here. It's not zest, it's rind. Okay, there is a difference between zest and rind. So I will just cook it to 40 degrees Celsius, and then I will start introducing sugar and pectin in shower method. Let me finish this. I will cook this until 80 degrees Celsius for the activation of pectin, and then I will add this mixture on the previously set mousse and cake layers, and here it is done. So just put this in the freezer. Now I will add the remaining mousse in the mold. Whatever mold you are using, it's not necessary you use the same mold. And then I will just add this 3 layers of cake, confiture, and also the mousse, and I will add this layer into the mold. You have to be very careful while you just transfer all this into the mousse, and now I will transfer this very carefully in the mold, and after that I will add the remaining mousse. Okay, so that the cake will join each layers together, and then it's a very thin actually layer. It's up to you how you want to assemble your cake. I like it this way, so I did it this way. After adding a thin layer, I will just add the crunchy. So here I have Florentine, pecan and dulce chocolate. Okay, I'm going to mix all of it, and then I will add the last layer on my mousse cake. I have added here sea salt, and then I just topped it on the cake with the last layer. I will just smooth this with the help of a spatula, angular spatula, and it's done. Let's freeze it overnight, and that's it. So the next morning it's ready to glaze. I'm just going to unmold the cake. You just have to unmold the cake same time when you are ready to glaze. Your glaze is ready, your glaze temperature is ready to glaze on the cake. Okay, so I will just carefully add everything. My glaze temperature is 33, as you can see in my thermometer as well. According to your weather, your country, I don't know, maybe your glaze temperature is less than that, but my was like 33 degrees Celsius. So I have glazed my cake and it's done, and now I'm just going to clean the edges and put it on the cake board. That's it, the beauty is ready. And the last, I topped my cake with the whipped ganache from my previous recipe, and here it is. I have just give the velour on the top, and that's it. The cake looks beautiful, you can see, and I just want to enjoy a beautiful look and the pictures, so I took the cake outside in my balcony and took some nice photos. And then you leave your cake 2 hours in the fridge to defrost it nicely, to enjoy all the flavors. And after 2 hours, let's cut the cake together. So here's my cake, and I'm just going to show you all the layers. The last layer was actually difficult to cut, the crunchy layer, so I just put a little pressure, and here it is, you can see. If you want to enjoy my cake recipes in future, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will show you the slice of this cake, and then I will eat this yummy cake alone with my family, of course, and I will send some to my friends as well. So on this note, I will say a goodbye to all of you, and until the next recipe, you can just like and subscribe and tell your friends about my channel. Ciao, bye bye.